Good morning, everyone. I'm Michael Fisher from Ushur. We help automate communications and workflows between our customers and their customers at scale. We call this customer experience automation. It's based on conversational AI, process automation, all through a no-code platform design, which delivers really two-way, interactive, omni-channel digital experiences. But what does that really mean, right? What it means is a carrier can reach out to a claimant at precisely the right time, grab precisely the right pieces of information, all without overburdening IT. And what it means for IT is they can deliver these DIY self-serve solutions to the rest of the customer-facing teams and really elevate the performance of the whole organization. So how do you do this? How do you do this at the speed of business? How do you do this? How do you allow those teams to move as fast as you want? Well, today we're announcing Ushur Studio, a step function improvement in the ability of carriers to provide and deliver and build personalized digital experiences, not in quarters, not in months, but in days. Let's take a look.
Reaching customers is hard, taking multiple channels, touch points in days. When you try to implement change, cue the endless cycles and complexities. What if you could pivot and adapt to customer needs in real time with dynamic digital across mobile, web, email, and more? Introducing Ushur Studio. Build, test, and deploy transformative digital experiences, now with even greater velocity than ever. Customize templates or start from scratch. Create workflows and integrate systems without any coding. Leverage Ushur's domain-specific large language models and generative AI to supercharge your experience automation. Easily prototype and test builds. Launch to contacts in a few clicks. Get deep insights and analytics, from campaign overviews to individual user journeys. Ushur Studio, where automation artistry meets creativity and efficiency. Start for free at ushur.com.
This is a pre-recorded demo of the video. So when you land in the Ushur Studio, you land on the project page. You can see all your active campaigns all at once. On the bottom left, you have your integrations. We connect into your backend systems, be it Guidewire, your proprietary systems, a CRM like Salesforce or Dynamics. And we can write to those systems or read from them dynamically. We can do this at the batch level, the record level, or the customer level. The next tab is AI Studio. Everything we do is based on AI. We've got built into the platform your ability to upload training data, build a model, test the model, publish it across classification, conversational AI, and data extraction. But most folks are going to start building an Ushur with these easy templates, right? Let's say I'm a P&C provider, P&C carrier, and I've got a storm bearing down on Florida, and I want to check on my customers. We've got pre-built templates around mobile engagement. Our proprietary invisible app, mobile engagement, requires no code to build and no download from customers. As a creator of this workflow, I just use this template and I can start customizing immediately, right? So I can click in, I can add new modules. You see how easy it is to just click and drag in a message module. And you see the red flag, penalty flag I got there. There's just guardrails built into the platform in case you don't include messaging or you skip a step. We help the citizen developer. But let's take a look at something that's a little bit more complex. Let's say the storm is passed in Florida and we want to reach out to folks and give them an opportunity to file a claim. So I'm going to create a relatively complex claim capture FNOL process in a matter of minutes, right? So on the right here, you see all the fields that I need, the customer name, the policy number, the location, the date, etc. And I can easily add in more fields. On this next slide here, I can add radio buttons for choices. I can even capture photos or any file. So if you want to capture proof of insurance, a driver's license, I can specify that. But let's say I want to test it. Before I launch it, I preview this mobile app experience before I launch it. This is a preview of that experience. You can see all those fields that we were attempting to capture and we built into this process are there. They can be preloaded from the information in your backend system, or you can have your customer fill them in. Here you see the radio buttons. These are all on brand. Date picker, all this functionality that you would expect in a mobile app is customizable and deliverable in no time at all. We even have the ability to preview that picture on the customer's perspective. So let's say you're uploading 7 photos and you don't know what they are. The end user can preview them before they submit it. So now we built this, right? All we have to do is publish it and launch it. So you can launch it as a manual campaign. I just have a list that I launch to, or because we're connected into Guidewire, because we have accelerators built from Guidewire or your CRM, we can do that dynamically. So we can outbound to those customers dynamically. So that's outbound. But we can even do this inbound. You can set up a short code or a virtual number with a hashtag and put it on the back of your insurance card and allow your customers to inbound those requests. So in a matter of no time at all, I just created a mobile experience that will save, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of calls into a call center a year for claims in a matter of minutes. So that's Ushur Studio with Invisible App.